Ryan, we've got some rain moving into the area now. Nothing we haven't seen over the past couple of days.
Now we have some thunder in spots too.
All right.
And there may even be a little small hail. There was some of that over in New Hampshire.
Yeah.
The freezing levels are really low in the atmosphere. So in the summertime, it takes a really strong thunderstorm to generate hail. But when it's a little colder, earlier in the season, a weaker thunderstorm can do that. We had some sunshine for a while today, but that filled right in and helped develop some of these clouds and pop-up showers and storms. You can see the swirl to our north, and tomorrow will still be under the influence of this, so it won't be a perfectly clear day, but it will be mainly dry tomorrow. So look at the live radar right now. You'll see some flashes of lightning in spots. There was one thunderstorm that was weakening over Casco Bay. Now some downpours right over Cape Elizabeth, about to move into the Casco Bay Islands. But in the last half hour, we've got a pretty impressive line of some downpours and storms that have developed west of the Lakes region up into the Oxford Hills. Some thunder and lightning around Bridgeton, Denmark, Hiram, maybe a little hail within that cell too. And this extends to the northeast, going right through Turner, about to head into Lewiston, Auburn, Winthrop, the Belgrade Lakes, Waterville going to get into this too, pouring up around Skowhegan as well. So don't be shocked if you hear a brief rumble of thunder as this all comes through over the next couple of hours. In eastern Maine, the air is more stable, so we've just had clouds and some rain showers here, but some of this action to the west will be moving east over the next couple of hours. So by 9 o'clock tonight, starting to dry out in most of central and southern Maine. Still some showers around Bangor, and certainly still some showers across the far north. It probably doesn't dry out there until after midnight tonight. Tomorrow morning, we'll actually have a fair amount of sunshine. We start the day in the 30s, but since we're still under the influence of the storm system, we'll bubble up a lot of clouds during the day tomorrow. So it turns partly to mostly cloudy during the middle of the day, and there could even be a flurry or a sprinkle off to the north tomorrow, but southern Maine should stay dry during the day. The wind will be a bit annoying tomorrow. Steady out of the northwest, 15 to 25 miles per hour, and there will be some gusts at times tomorrow up to about 30 miles per hour. Thursday is going to still be breezy, and then Friday and Saturday not as windy, but the wind changes direction, and with that we'll actually have a little bit of a warm-up. Friday we could get into the 50s to around 60, especially in clouds likely to increase during the day on Friday, and there could be some showers that pass through Friday evening or Friday night. Now on Saturday, there is a front in the area, but it looks like we're on the warm side of the front. So if we have enough dry hours on Saturday, temperatures in the 60s, possibly near 70 over parts of interior western Maine where the wind doesn't come in off the ocean. So Saturday has some upside potential temperature-wise. Seas tomorrow 4 to 6 feet with a gusty southwest wind on the water. Lots of clouds out there tomorrow and a few sprinkles possible, especially farther north. High temperatures inland only in the upper 40s. The coast gets near 50. Brighter on Thursday, still breezy. We'll be in the low to mid 50s. Friday actually looks like a nice day. Sunniest in the morning. Clouds come in Friday afternoon, and there could be a few showers Friday evening or Friday night. Saturday, if we see enough sunshine, it could be quite warm, and then Easter Sunday, the front goes by, but it looks like sun will return. So a pretty good weekend, even though there's some rain in there and there will be some clouds. Saturday has potential to surprise.
All right, keep our fingers crossed. Thanks, Ryan.